How to remove pet stains from the mattress, by Deluxe Mattress Cleaning. Some major effects of pet stains. Cats and dogs mostly associate with humans, who can make them lay on their mattresses. Dogs' urine growths mold on the mattress, that causes some bacteria like penicillin which interfere with the breathing system of the human. In the case of the cat, their feces are not good for the human body. If they are not cleaned on time they can cause toxoplasmosis. Materials required for cleaning: rags, baking soda, white vinegar or vodka spray bottle, gloves, basin, cleaning detergents. Here is the procedure of cleaning the pet stain. First, put on the gloves now. Treat the stained area with distilled white vinegar or vodka using the spraying bottles. Let the mattress dry for few times. Open all the windows and on ceiling fans for better air circulation which helps in drying. Pour some vinegar or vodka in the basin. Dip a rag in the basin and squeeze the rags, then press it on the mattress. Pour some baking soda on the stained area. Allow the baking soda to perform its work chemically for 5 hours for better results. Now dry your mattress by using vacuum cleaner. Things you should remember if your pet is on the mattress. If you will be with your pet on the mattress, remember to use the waterproof mattress cover. If you spot a pet stain, clean it as early as possible to avoid health issues and discomfort. Call our professionals if you fail to execute above process. We serves you one of the best mattress cleaning services in Melbourne. Our well-trained professionals are always here to help you if you are facing problems regarding stain removal. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get amazing cleaning tips.